Do you not like money? Do you know of someone that could use some free money? Are you allergic to free cash? Are you allergic to hitting the like button for the YouTube algorithm? Question of the day. If I drop $100 on the ground, would you keep walking right past it, or would you stop to pick it up? You probably would just keep walking right past it, right? Well, that's what it feels like, because most of you that watched the previous video did not even click on the link to get your free welcome bonus. Free cash, guys. What's the problem? Well, we're going to be talking about it again today, and I'm going to give you an update on what's actually occurred within the last 9 days. But before we get started, let's jump right into the intro. What's up, guys? Trail here, better known as Budget Bill, and today we're going to be talking about how you can make you and your family $200 of free cash just by receiving your welcome bonus. So before we get started, now, if you haven't watched the previous video, we talked about the promotion that's out right now is with Sophie Money. Basically, it is like a checking account without the checks, but if you deposit $100 using someone else's referral, then you will receive a free $50 welcome bonus. That's it. Simple as that. You deposit $100 into your account and you receive $50. Now, in addition, if you refer more people, for those people that sign up, you will receive $100 in referral bonus for each referral that actually signs up as well. So that's free money. So for example, for you and your spouse, if you sign up with my referral, you'll get $50. Then if you refer your spouse, now you'll get $100 for the referral and your spouse will receive $50. That's a total of $200 in free cash. Now, it takes about 5 days for you to actually be able to withdraw your initial investment, which is the $100. Now, over the last 9 days, considering I signed up last Wednesday, which was October the 24th, and I funded my account with $100. Since then, I have made one of my friends about $500 in free money, just because I referred them and I told them how it works and what it is. And they basically referred 5 other people and they received $500. This all happened within 5 days total. 5 days total, $500. Then I made another friend over $750 of free money, and they was able to do it within 4 days. Perhaps they actually have a lot of friends that they know, or whatever the case may be. And then I have another friend just today. Now, they actually told me that they didn't really have any money to spare, so they wasn't going to be able to sign up. So what I did is, this is actually a trusted friend, so I actually sent them $100 through Zelle just so they could sign up. So basically the plan is I give them the initial loan of $100 for them to sign up with the Sophie referral. Then they will fund their account with the $100, and then they will receive the free $50 from the welcome bonus. And then after the money comes available for withdrawal, then they're going to send me my $100 back. And don't forget, because I referred them, I'm going to receive an additional $100 from Sophie from the welcome bonus. Now, from their point on, that person can actually refer other people and they can make additional money depending on who actually signs up with their referral. Now, basically for them, they didn't have to put any money up front. I actually fronted the money for them because I know it works. I've proven it myself, and that's what I want to show you guys today. How many people actually watched the last video? And if you're watching today, how many of you actually clicked on the link and signed up? Now, I don't want to come off as pressuring you. However, this is free money. It literally takes 2 minutes to sign up. You click on the referral link, you open up your web browser, you put in your name, your address, your phone number, and I believe your social, and then that's it. And then it asks you how do you want to transfer or fund your account? And basically, you can either use one of the popular banks that are listed right there, such as Bank of America, Chase, Wells Fargo, or underneath all of those banks, if you don't want to use the bank's API, then you can actually enter the information in manually. That's the option that I chose. It's right below the option of where you choose which bank you want to use. At the bottom, it says, if you don't know the information, you can enter the information in manually. And basically, you would enter your account number and your routing number. That is for your checking account in which you want to transfer or fund your account with $100. And that's it. It's as simple as that. You immediately receive the $50 welcome bonus after you start the process of the $100 of funding your account. However, you're not able to withdraw that welcome bonus because it actually has to clear. And it takes, like I mentioned, it takes about 5 days. So it took me, I believe I signed up on October 24th, and then the weekend came, and then that following Tuesday, I was able to withdraw my initial $100 that I actually funded my account with. So basically, you can remove all your risk from the actual cash management account with Sophie Money. And then you have zero risk. Whoever you think that could use, number one, this Sophie Money cash management account, as well as the additional money. It's free money, guys. The $50 for signing up, and then the additional $100 per person that you refer with your personalized link. That's it, guys. Now, I will say some of the people that you're going to try to refer are not going to be with it. They're not going to understand, how can it be this easy? You basically sign up and they're going to give you free money. Well, this is the example that I've been telling everyone. Everyone is familiar with the Super Bowl, right? Okay, every year companies pay large amounts of money to actually get a video shown during the Super Bowl. For a 50-second video, people are paying, or companies are paying $2.5 million, $3 million for a 1-minute video, $4 or $5 million for just one short video. Now, the reason they are doing this and paying that type of money is so they can have their company advertising during the Super Bowl, because most people are watching the Super Bowl and they hope to acquire new customers. Everybody understands that, right? Well, basically, that's what Sophie Money is doing, except they are not posting it on a TV commercial, but instead they are using that $4 million to give it to you, to give it to me, to give it to us, so we can actually refer more people. So they're putting the money in our hands instead of NBC's hand. Okay, so instead of them paying $4 million to one company, they are paying $100 per referral to each individual person out there across the United States. Does that make any sense? I know a lot of people are confused about it. So another example, you guys already probably have the Cash App. It's a very popular app that's used to send people money back and forth, right? Okay, Cash App, they did the same thing. Cash App is actually owned by Square. You guys are familiar with Square, right? Cash App actually offered everyone, they offered you $5 for every person that you referred, and then when that person signs up, that person gets $5 as well. Okay, same concept, right? However, Cash, their budget is not as large as Sophie. So so that's why they are giving you money, okay? I will admit, initially I thought it was a scam. It was a little sketchy, but I was like, you know what? The risk versus reward, I was only putting up $100 risk, and I could potentially lose that $100, right? That's how I felt on October 24th. But, I did my research online. I couldn't find not one bad review, not one thing that people were saying that they didn't receive their sign-up bonus or their welcome bonus. I couldn't find anything. So that sort of made me feel comfortable. And then after 5 days, once I could actually withdraw my initial investment, then I was totally confident in this and that I would not lose my $100. So yes, I was a little skeptical at first. However, it's been 9 days. And I wanted to show you guys just how much I've acquired so far. And I still have some referrals that haven't been paid out yet, but this is on the 9th day from when I signed up. Now that's including the weekend, okay? Today's Friday. I signed up last Wednesday. So here it is right here. I'm gonna put it up on the screen right here so you can see. You see that, guys? That's how much I've basically acquired so far. $1,000 in free money, free cash, and it's only taken me 9 days. Basically, I've had so far 10 people sign up. Now, those are my close and personal friends that have signed up, and like I just said, I got someone new to sign up today because I loaned them $100. So I still have more referrals coming, and I've already withdrawn $450. So I have zero risk in this whole entire deal. Zero risk, because I initially put up $200 and I've already withdrawn $400. So I have zero risk at this point. But I really just wanted to make this video so I can share some clarity on it, and just to be transparent with you, show you how much I've made, show you that I've actually transferred the money out of Sophie into my own personal checking account. But I just wanted to show you guys that this is legitimate. You can go out there and you can do research on whatever the case may be. How many contacts do you guys have? Go right now, go look in your Rolodex, okay? Yeah, I'll wait for you. Go look in your Rolodex. Oh, what? What'd you say? Oh, I'm sorry. You guys are bougie, right? Y'all don't have Rolodexes anymore. So, okay, so go ahead and pull out your fancy iPhone, okay? Look in your contacts on your iPhone. Scroll down to the bottom. See how many contacts you have, okay? Now, me personally, I have 709 contacts in my iPhone right now. So the way I look at this is, if I can get 1% of the amount of contacts in my phone to sign up with my referral, then I've done a great job. And for me, 709 contacts, 1% of that is basically 7 people to sign up with my referral. Well, I've already gotten 10 people to sign up so far, so I've already exceeded 1%. But I want you guys to use that as a target of how many people that you should get signed up using your referral bonus to receive this free $100 cash. I challenge you to make this free money. When you see the iron gets hot, you gotta hit it while it's hot. You can't wait for it to cool off. You can't wait for everyone else to do it, because the deal is going to be over. So you guys need to act fast. When stuff like this happens, you gotta act quick. This is free money. I don't know how long this is going to last, how much money Sophie has. I plan on withdrawing all of my money except $100. I'm going to keep the account and just leave like $100 in the account. It's just free money, and I really think that you guys should be interested in this, because it's not a lot of work to do. Even if you don't want to refer your friends and family, that's fine, but at least you and your spouse, that's a free $200. You guys can go out for a nice meal this weekend, or whenever you're able to withdraw that $200. Now, some of my friends actually said that they were too busy to sign up for this free money. That's going to take too much time. But my question is, aren't you going to work every day for money? How much time is that taking? It's the same principle. At least this way, you can do it from your home, from your couch, from your bed, with your cell phone, and you can do it at your leisure. What is the question about that? You send it to a few people. If they have questions, you explain it to them, or you share my video with them. It's easy. This is easy money than going to work. Going to work, you got to get in the car, you got to get dressed, you got to take a bath, you got to drive to work. Then you got to fool with the people that you work with that you might not like. You got to do all of that to make the money. This is super simple. You can do it from your phone by texting people. Or if you have a blog, or if you have a website, or if you have a YouTube channel, you can post it on there as well. This is super easy. So don't sleep on it. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment down below. Put your questions, whatever the case may be. As always, if you like this type of content, please go ahead and click on the like button, as it helps out with the YouTube algorithm. And if you know someone that could really benefit from this video, go ahead and shoot them the video so it can explain it more in detail. Just make sure that they use your link. And if you don't want to share your link with them, hey, feel free to give them my link. I definitely don't mind at all, okay? But I'm not greedy, so I think that you guys should definitely be getting that $100 referral for each person. Well, that's it, guys. If you haven't already watched the video that I'm talking about, I'll put a link down below, and I'll also put a link up here so you can click on it right now at the end of this video. Okay? As always, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you can receive all the videos that I upload to this channel whenever they come out, because you never know when the next deal may drop off, and you want to be the first in line to receive that. Okay? As always, I appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you on the next video. Peace.